Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to take you through this Passport GT 3352BH. It's a pretty unique floor plan, but it's full of a bunch of features that a lot of you have on your camping checklist that you tend to look for. So before we get started with that, our weight is looking at 7,660 pounds with a tip-to-tip length of 37 feet 11 inches. So here at the front, you got your power tongue jack. 2 propane tanks are just behind there, and you also have this casing to help protect it. Of course, a spot for your battery. And then you also have your fiberglass front cap and siding, plus some diamond plating to help protect that front cap. Over here on our camping side, you have some pass-through storage, so you can have some chairs in here, pool noodles, maybe even a bike can fit in here, but just an extra place to have camping gear. It also has the magnetic latch and is a slam door latch as well, so you can easily open that up with one hand. A power awning that's kind of in the middle, but it stretches all the way across, and it's just a spot that you can relax underneath, especially if it's a rainy day or a pretty hot day. 2 entrances as well, and they're both protected underneath that awning. Bluetooth capable outside speakers. Both the doors as well have the friction hinge, so you don't have to worry about the doors slamming into your camper and maybe damaging it and stuff like that. Solid steps at your main entrance, and these will fold into your camper very nicely, but they're super sturdy, great for people running in and out of the camper, pets, or even if you've had knee or hip replacement surgery. You are pre-wired for solar on this coach, and you also have the extended season camping, plus you have a grab handle to get into your camper. Moving along, between your 2 entrances is satellite and cable hookup plus power, so you can have a TV setup out here if you would like. Course, your second entrance. Outside kitchen as well, so a lot of families look for this just because it's just fun having to cook something outside, still be a part of all the action while your kids are running around playing. Mini fridge for beverages, snacks, juice boxes, anything like that. And then open storage for your plates and utensils. Just down below is a drawer that pulls out with your couple burners underneath there. Rear ladders, so this is great for climbing up, and just before taking off back home on your camping trip, you can climb up there and check your roof and slide outs, make sure acorns, sticks, branches, things like that aren't stuck in your slide. So it's just really good for maintenance purposes. You are pre-wired for a backup camera if you would like one, and you have a spare tire. Over here on our non-camping side, you have 2 slide outs. And I think that covers that, so let's take a look at the inside. So coming all the way to the front in our master bedroom, queen size bed, and you can lift the mattress up for a little bit of extra storage underneath, and tables on both sides. The one on the left is slightly longer just because you have some drawer storage space, so great spot for your wallet, sunglasses, keys, things like that. Each side also has power and USB ports to charge electronics or even plug in a sleep-at machine. Above each nightstand is a closet locker, built-in clothes rack with a shelf that extends all the way across to the other closet locker. You also have 3 cabinet doors to get into that too. You are prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom if you would like one, and then a barn-style sliding door for that extra privacy. And then just behind me is a spot for a TV, so you can have one in here too if you would like. This is a pass-through bathroom, so just to make your bedroom feel a little bit more spacious, you can close this off, but you have a really easy access to get into it if you need to use the restroom in the middle of the night. Foot flush toilet here at an angle. And then you have your nice stand-up shower, skylight up above too, and it's pretty tall, so if you are a taller person, you don't have to worry about hitting your head. Vent fan as well. And then the shower door is pretty cool. It actually coils just behind here, so you don't have to bring a shower curtain, things like that, or worry about the water kind of like dripping off onto the floor. This does a really good job of just keeping that water from getting on your bathroom floor. Across from there, we have our sink, storage below, interesting open cubby storage to the left of that, and you have quite a bit of countertop space too. Power here, so if you need to plug something in, and your medicine cabinet. I also love this little window. There is a curtain, so you can black out and have a little bit of privacy, but just this little window I thought was super duper cute. Barn style sliding door again for some extra privacy. And then coming out here to my left is the start of our living room space, entertainment center. So you have your bracket for your TV, cabinet storage up above and down below, so DVDs can go there, board games, toys, things like that. And then this also open cubby storage down below, or I guess in between it, but I like the angle of it. I just think it's something that's different. Next to your main entrance, you also have storage space. You can use it for pantry storage, anything that you want really, and it actually goes up pretty high, so you can fit taller items in there. Across from this closet storage space, you have access to your convenience center, control panel, whatever you want to call it. This is where you can use your awning, slides, interior lights, all of that type of stuff, and then access to those Bluetooth speakers on the inside and the outside. And then also right next to your main entrance, you have all of this storage below your kitchen space. So you can access it pretty easily without even having to walk into the camper. If you are at a rest stop, need to grab something really easily, you just open the door and then you can just grab it right away. Power as well for some small appliances. But I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm going to finish the living room and then talk about our kitchen space. So this is called a pivot furniture. So this is pivot style furniture. You really have an L-shaped couch and you can fit quite a number of people on here. And when you're wanting to eat and have dinner with your family, all you have to do is just remove this cushion right here and then just fold this back, and then you're able to have 4 people sit there very comfortably. So I thought that was kind of interesting how they have this. Some of the other passports have the pivot style furniture as well, so you can kind of pick and choose what you're feeling. If you're wanting to relax before dinner, have it in that L-shaped couch position and then just move it when you're ready to eat. Our sale price comes out to be $43,995 for everything. Also in this slide out, this is not carpet. It's almost like an outdoor rug material, so you can sweep up pet hair pretty easily with that. And now, back to our kitchen space. Extended countertop if you need it for more prepping food space. And then our sink, stainless steel open mount with a black matte finish, and you have a spray faucet too. More countertop space if you need it, and a rather large wide window for some natural light. Cabinet storage up above. Just next to that is your microwave, range, hood, and 3-burner stove top. It does have this glass cover that you can fold up and kind of use as a backsplash and really wipe off anything that splatters. There's your oven. More storage space down below. You have this jumbo-sized drawer for your pots and pans. And then this storage below your sink, you actually have access to from the other side, which I already showed you. So I'll show you what that looks like. So pretty cool. You probably could put a trash can down there. Anything that you want, really. Next to your stove is your refrigerator. It's a good size. And then kind of moving along towards the back, closet storage space for your kids or just some additional storage. And then behind this door, we actually have a half bath. So pretty awesome. This is where your second entrance comes into play. So if your kids are running outside, getting dirty, everything like that, they can easily just walk in here and use the restroom without having to track all of that into your camper. Angled foot flush toilet. Love the built-in storage here too. I just think that's something that's different. Across from there is your sink, medicine cabinet, and another vent fan too. And then finally, coming into our really awesome bunk room for your kids or even friends, adult kids, teenagers, anyone can really sleep in here. To my right, we have our first bunk that folds up, so you can latch it if you would like and really use this as a sofa position so you don't hit your head. That's pretty much the reason for being able to latch it. This also folds out into a sleeping space for 1 to 2 people depending on size. And these are removable, so you can use it for armrests, backrests, anything that you want really. Barn style sliding door for extra privacy. And then across from there we have our other bunk that is on this kind of wooden platform. They are rated for 300 pounds, so full-size adults are able to sleep up here too. Both of those bunks have the teddy bear mattress, which is my favorite. They're plush and they're very fluffy. Window there for a nice view, and you also have this built-in ladder with some storage behind it, spot for a TV, and more closet storage that kind of like runs along everywhere. But there you have it. Any questions or concerns about this passport, you guys, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.